Va bene. Now this here is it's a family business. It's a small. Now with a big knife, they have to cut the skin. You know why? No. In each compress we produce 2 weeks of Parmigiano Reggiano. In this way we get the 2 weeks of Parmigiano Reggiano. In a few minutes they separate the 2 weeks into different labels. We get the 2 weeks in this way. So 100 kilo, 220 pounds, the entire mass, 1 week of Parmigiano Reggiano. It's not Parmigiano Reggiano, but of 1 week.
Devi andare contro con la pensione. Tira su. Dammi un po'. Tira su. Devi andare contro con la pensione. Tira su. Dammi un po'. Tira su.
Good.
See the sticker right on the top? Okay. And that's it. We have to remain in contact with the liquid. So it's very simple. Huh? This way a little bit. And they turn it differently. After 21, 22 days, this is soft now. So the first day on the shelf here, the second day there, and then here inside. This is the salt brine. Here we have water and salt. Now here we add salt. And for the Parmigiano Reggiano, again, we add only salt, no preservative. The second one, the final one. We arrive here after 1 day in the other room there. And here we give, with this mold here, we give the final shape to the cheese. You can see it, they become flat on the top and the bottom after 6-7 months. And then here we give the curvy shape to the cheese here. It's full of little holes because from now till the end they start to lose liquid moisture continuously. And we have to leave the wheels here in the second mold 2 days. The first is here, you can see it's a little bit bigger, you can see the cheese here. And the second day there, and they swing now.
Oh man. Yes. Cheese. Oh, the smell.
They're very happy.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, it smells incredible.
2017. Wow. So we can age the cheese for 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, a lot. With the Jara we ate, well, this is too much, 30 years. Wow. But we say that they probably forgot the cheese somewhere. But it was not bad. It's incredible. It was not, obviously it's a lot, right? 30 years it's not normal.
Sounds like an empty stomach.
Yeah, exactly. Here for us, this is the typical wooden table that they use for the check, and they put every single wheel. They put every single wheel on this wooden table, and with the hammer there, they tap it all around. Why? Because they listen to the sound. If the sound is uniform, means that inside the texture is compact. If they find some bubbles, the sound becomes ununiform. You can hear ta 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 top, deeper, higher. Okay. In this case, the sound is more or less the same everywhere, and this is a first-class Parmigiano Reggiano with the stamp here. First class. This is called check one by one every single wheel of Parmigiano Reggiano, one by one, one by one. Yes. Because we can put. You can see here. Okay. The final stem, this is the fire stem, the final fire. We can put this only if the Parmigiano Reggiano is, only if the shape is perfect. The shape, the external shape that must be perfect without some cracks or other. Yeah. But very important, this is very, very important, the texture inside must be compact. Without bubbles, without cracks, without compact. So if the shape is perfect, the texture is perfect, we can put the finest. During the years they dry a lot. This is a 2.5.
Yeah.
More, and this is
Wow.
very tricky.
Sounds like a wood.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, like wood. Yeah.
My wife said it's like tarallucci. Taralli is a dry bread coming from the south of Italy, from Puglia, the region Puglia, and we know that we think that it's perfect, very good with the cheese. Try before the cheese alone, without balsamico, without.